Good morning children, myself Rajesh Dikruz. Welcome to the e-learning classes provided by Sanmaikas Academy, Vedya. Children, last video we had seen civics, today we will see geography. Geography is standard 7, chapter 4. The lesson is the air around us, and this is first part of this video. Atmosphere. First we are going to see atmosphere. You know what is atmosphere? You know, all around there is air. All around you there is air. That is called atmosphere. That means the earth's surface is surrounded by air is called atmosphere. The book says the atmosphere is the gaseous layer that surrounds planet Earth. It is the widest of all four realms as it extends more than 1,600 kilometers into the space. So I talked about that air that surrounds the Earth, the air that surrounds you is called atmosphere. This air is found 1,600 kilometers up to the Earth space. The surface, from the surface as we go up to the sky is called space. So this air is found up to the 1,600 kilometers. Children, atmosphere also regulates the temperature conditions on the earth. This density of air is found at the surface of the earth because of the gravitational force. Air is always pulled at the earth's surface. It is held in its place by the gravitational pull of the earth. Oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide are some of the important gases that is present at the surface of the earth. Now let's see about the composition. The air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. That air has so many gases. That means that atmosphere, the air has got so many spaces. The maximum gases is nitrogen. You can see this is the earth surface. This 78% earth surface is covered with nitrogen, and it is found up to 125 kilometers in the space. And the next, the gases is found in the atmosphere is oxygen. It is 21%. And after that, 1%, it is 1% the other gases. I know in 1% the other gases are carbon dioxide, argon, third neon, fourth helium, 5 krypton, 6 xenon and 7 ozone. So this is the composition of the atmosphere. You know that maximum 78% nitrogen and the second maximum is oxygen, and the others are these 7 gases included in the atmosphere. Now you know that the importance of these gases. Talking, air also contains about 1% to 4% of water vapor. This atmosphere has also water vapor, and it is of 1% to 4%. One half of this water vapor lies within 2 kilometers. This water vapor, that is 1 to 4% found in the atmosphere, this water vapor is found up to the 2 kilometers in the space. Now we'll see the importance of nitrogen. You know nitrogen, the importance of nitrogen. Nitrogen is very important for the plants. Oxygen is very important for the human and the animals, as we breathe oxygen and give out oxygen. Nitrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is very important for the plants as they prepare food. And the other gases are also important because you know that the sun radiation, the insolation that comes to the earth is harmful for us, for our skins. So there is a dangerous insolation. Because of that we can get the skin cancer. That insolation is observed by the ozone. This is ozone. So all the sun rays, the insolations, the atmosphere cannot observe the harmful radiation. The insolation is observed by the ozone. This is the composition of atmosphere. Children, again we will meet in the next video with the next topic. I have completed so many lessons. Please write the question answers with the objectives and submit the copy in the school for the corrections. If you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.